Hi, Toby Barnett, KW North Sound, with another quick video on prepping your home for sale. So one of the requirements when a buyer's purchasing a home and using financing is that the hot water tank needs earthquake straps. You know, it might sound like pretty mundane stuff and, you know, why is it really necessary? Sometimes we're like behind me, the hot water tank is sitting in a closet and can't really go anywhere. But it's one of those requirements that we have to do. So I recommend just heading down, probably can't read that this direction, but heading down to your local hardware store, picking up some earthquake straps, so you can just see them right here, and installing a strap on the top and on the bottom. It takes just a few minutes and can save a lot of headache, because then an appraiser doesn't have to come back out to the property and visit. And then because I've also heard recently that they don't sometimes accept pictures, because pictures have been taken from other houses and sent, and that weren't actually the house it was at. I don't recommend doing any of that. But I'm here just to help one of my clients out and just install some hot water straps for her, or hot water tank straps, earthquake straps for her, so we don't have any sort of hiccups when it comes to the appraisal. But anyways, so if you have a couple minutes and just walk by your hot water tank, see if it's secured, and if it's not, go down to your local hardware store, pick up some earthquake straps, and then have them installed, or install them yourself. It only takes a couple minutes. But anyways, all right, Toby here again. So that just took me a couple minutes to install the 2 earthquake straps, one top and bottom, best you can, separated. In this case, there was a little bit of plumbing I had to work around, so I didn't get them quite to the bottom or quite to the top, but this is more than sufficient to get through appraisal, as well as have your hot water tank not tip over during an earthquake, someone crawling on it, etc. But anyways, thanks for tuning in for getting your home ready for sale. And also, this could be a home maintenance minute too. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.